side.
Yeah, and it's because we have so much humidity to work with. So higher humidity, there's a higher potential for storms to start to develop, and that's what's going to be the case tonight. And that's why there's even a flood concern tonight as well. So here is a look at our severe weather outlook. The highest threat will be along our far western counties. That's where an enhanced risk for severe weather is. That's a level 3 out of 5. For the Metroplex and a big portion of central North Texas, we're talking about a level 2 out of 5 or a slight risk. This is for damaging winds and hail up to quarter size, but these storms will weaken as they progress east overnight. On top of that, we're also dealing with a flood concern, a flood watch in place. Ellis, Kaufman County to the southeast, starting at 7 this evening through Thursday afternoon for the additional rain of 2 to 4 inches, isolated amounts up to 5 inches that we will likely see as these storms move through. Here's what it'll look like as the day goes on. Wednesday throughout the afternoon, we just see a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. We might see an isolated storm popping up south of DFW. And as the evening goes on, closer to about 10, we may see some activity south of DFW, but most of the potential for severe weather will start along our western counties, and we'll be able to track it in. But look at how it weakens between 10 to midnight. You're stopping the clock at midnight. You see these storms kind of still hold its shape. We'll start to see it kind of decay in some parts. See how it breaks up there? This is now around 3 in the morning. Between midnight, 3 in the morning is when I'm expecting a few of these storms to start knocking on the western edges of DFW. And then we'll see a big bulk of the rain coverage stay across south. So south of Interstate 20 there. That's now Thursday, 6 in the morning. And by around sunrise, I think the heaviest rain will be east of DFW, but we'll still be dealing with some likely remnants of minor flooding, especially southeast of the Metroplex. So we'll be watching that. Thursday starts to dry out. We could see an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon, but additional rain for Thursday night into Friday. We could see 2 to 3 inches of rainfall widespread between now and Sunday. So I told you about tonight's rain into tomorrow morning, but rain coverage stays elevated Thursday as we head into Thursday night. Friday about a 30%, Saturday, Sunday I've upped it to 50%. That means half of the area will see rain over the weekend. It's not going to be a consistent rain all weekend long, but there is a chance for rain every day through the weekend. And this is what it'll look like Thursday night as a front approaches. So that front is what keeps the rain in the area as we head into Friday morning. This is around 7 in the morning. Look at how that rain just south of DFW. And then Friday night, as we approach Friday night, we'll see another round of rain, and that'll continue again Saturday and Sunday. The pattern just kind of stays unsettled for us through the weekend. Right now, though, we're just looking at some cloud cover. It's humid, it's warm, temperature of 75 degrees right now. As we look over our Clyde Warren Park camera, I am expecting it to stay dry as our temperature climbs to about 83 degrees around 3 this afternoon, and even closer to about 6 this evening, 82 degrees. It's going to feel noticeably humid and uncomfortable as we head into the overnight hours, upper 60s with rain back in the area, rain coverage going up after midnight. Here's what the highs will look like today. Mid 80s across Dallas, Fort Worth, 84 degrees. The normal is 79, so we'll be trending about 5 degrees warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year. Our pollen count, oak and grass at a moderate, but the rain tonight will help pat down some of that pollen. I'm expecting it to be slightly lower tomorrow, but once it stops raining, pollen count goes back up. Those grasses, I know, irritating a lot of us here this past week. So our temperatures will stay in the low 80s through the weekend. We are going to see the temperature climb as our rain coverage starts to lower middle parts of next week. And as of now, Mother's Day Sunday, highs in the mid 80s with a little chance for rain. Tashara?